cut it.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it.
Cut it.
Not now. Do you want to be in the video?
Yeah.
Alright, let's move your chair.
Okay.
Hi, it's me, ya boy. Get down. Today, are you gonna try some tomatoes?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna eat them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You cut it.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it and then we're gonna eat it. Hold on. Today we are trying 6 different kinds of tomatoes. Tokers, watch your snout. Alright, let me just move this plate for my chicken nuggets.
Hi.
And the rest of the garbage. Alright. It's recording you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You cut this one?
You want that one first?
Yeah. I want wavy one.
Not that skinny Barbara.
I want baby one.
The grape tomatoes?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me just name the ones that I know. So we have grape tomatoes. You know, the little ones, obviously. These are all grown in our garden up the hill.
I need this.
We have Roma tomatoes. Don't know what these 3 are, but they're all different.
That's 6, not 13.
Don't touch
It's
it.
like 3. I mean 6. I think. And then we have this one, which is a purple tomato. I forgot what the whole name was, but it's something purple tomato. What do you want to start with first?
Baby one.
The grape tomatoes?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna cut them in half because I have a weird
Okay.
paranoia thing
Okay.
with grape tomatoes.
Why?
I don't know, I think that there's like a spider or something in it every time.
That's why you have to cut in half?
Uh-huh.
What happens if you don't?
I won't eat it.
Can I cut one? Wait,
Here you
what?
go, Barbara. Please, do you want some?
I mean, I want to cut one.
Do you want to try them?
I
Can
know
cut one?
where I
Can I try cutting
I
one?
want big one.
Hold on.
Barbara, can I cut one?
You gotta go like this. You gotta go.
Barbara, can I cut a tomato? Barbara, can I cut a tomato?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
I hate grape tomatoes.
No. It's just a try.
I don't like sweeter kinds of tomatoes.
It's just a try.
Zeus wants to try.
Yeah.
You want to try the tomato?
no, I want to try cutting it.
Cut this one.
Uh-huh.
Trying a grape tomato with
You don't touch these, Barbara. Here, I'm going to need all this stuff moved out of the way for now.
Oh, I
Including this. Oh.
I need a
So,
bowl.
how else would you cut the sides in half? Sideways?
You could cut them into 4ths.
Oh, like this?
The knife is upside down.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Oh, wait. Like bop, 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 bop.
No, like bop, bop.
But yeah, but how could you not cut this in half?
Just cut it.
Do you just like cut it like that?
No. Are you trying to upset me?
Yes, like always.
Go get us some water so
Oh,
we
wait,
can.
I want to cut it diagonally.
It's still in half.
Oh, wait.
Where'd my arm go? Where'd my?
Well,
Where'd it go? Move this straighter. I washed the tomatoes in this. It exploded.
tiny little baby.
It's like a murder. Okay, Zeus, can you get us water? Please.
I gotta find any uses. I'm already on the table, so I can actually.
No,
see
there
now.
is none.
What's that then? That's
Juice.
Quick.
Barbara, which one next? So
Which one?
we both didn't like
It
grape
go.
tomatoes.
It go.
You cannot touch that. Put that down. That's ouch. Only big people can have those. Cold water. Boy. Yeah.
I don't think you are.
I'm recording with YouTube.
With?
Mm-hmm. You can record with.
Oh yeah, you can do that. That's why the things. Okay.
My booty was too big.
Perfect. Perfect. This one's yours. That's what you want. Perfect. Close that.
It's still recording.
Hi YouTube. You got a notification.
You're mine.
From what?
I'm sorry. Is that a person from Death Note?
Who?
I'm sorry.
Was it from Lynn?
No.
Wait, that's mine. Was it from Twitter?
Mine.
Let me hear his name is what?
Yeah, that was the last name.
Yagami?
I got
Yeah.
my book. I got my book.
You shut up. It's shut up.
Your booty's so good.
What? I took her.
Alright, which one next, Barbara?
A big one.
The purple one?
Yeah, the big one.
Alright, I'm kind of scared of the purple one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Her eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mine.
Do you like tomatoes?
How old are you?
Yeah.
How old
A
are you?
3.
That's 4.
4.
How old are you? A 3? Okay, ready?
Yeah, 3.
It hurts on my
my
finger.
God.
Oh. It does.
That's graphic.
In my
Smells like a pumpkin.
in my little pumpkin.
You don't even know what a pumpkin smells like, Barbara.
Yeah.
What does a tomato taste like? A tomato. Or is he saying, actually, it tastes like blood?
And this and this
Yeah.
and this.
We're gonna try it without salt first.
Yeah.
I mean, the tomatoes.
In your plate.
No, we don't need a plate. We have a cutting board. Do you want this half?
This. Both this.
Okay, but like, look at these tomatoes. What?
I want this.
It's like a Frankenstein tomato.
It says nothing, so I'm just gonna say it tastes like blood.
Yeah, I know. You told me.
Please.
On yours?
Tastes like blood.
Here, let me do it. Cause you're you're gonna get a bunch in one spot.
I do.
There you go. Now try it. Eat it.
What's this?
You eat it. It's a
You
tomato.
make a pumpkin.
What?
A pumpkin.
No, it's a tomato.
It smells like blood.
And I'll make it. And I'll make it. I want
It
more.
tastes like one too.
Oh, it's,
I want big one. This.
I thought the other one was big, but now it's a small one.
I want to eat it.
Mother, I'm recording.
Oh, sorry.
Mom.
Say hi, YouTube.
Mommy, try this tomato.
I'm the cool mom. It's fun, you know.
It go on.
Mommy!
Alright, go. Oh my gosh, my face was right there.
Did you fart?
Yeah, we did.
This is what I have to deal with on a daily basis. This is why I'm such a weird person.
Dude.
We're just gonna put these 4 chunks over here.
A fight.
I got tomato under my nail. Alright, what's next?
This one?
No, I think we should do the Roma.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Rome. Aroma. It has a little point. Point. Stop.
What? Sit. Just like. So okay. You didn't cut it in half.
Right.
There could be a spider in it.
I'm not
There could be a
scared of
spider
these
in those
ones.
few dots.
They
That could be a few
were the
spiders there.
birds.
Few baby spiders.
Shut up, Sis.
There could be a baby spider in one of those.
Ew, it's moldy in here.
Oh, maybe that's just a spider.
Shut up.
But
What?
it didn't cut in half. I know.
Shut up. Oh, sorry, in health class it's please shut up. I said it wrong. I don't know.
It's being nice.
You're not being nice.
No. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, we're not trying this because I already know that I don't like Roma tomatoes.
Then why did you? You saw a spider.
No, but what is this? Look at that. What is that? It's not focusing on the knife.
Why doesn't it focus on the knife? What's it focused on?
Ew.
What's it focused on?
Everything else but the knife. Did I just cut open a Roma tomato for no reason? Oh, this part's fine. I'll eat this. Go and try it?
No.
No?
I want this.
No, you can't just eat salt. I dropped it. I watched it fumble and bounce between my calves before it fell.
Spider.
There was a daddy long legs in my room last night. It was just chilling. And I was like, okay.
Stop
What,
or
bug?
spider?
Fire?
No, I'm just kidding. I was asking what's Zorka.
Look a fire.
There's no.
I don't like
I was
Roma
asking.
tomatoes
I was joking.
Well, I mean, I don't hate Roma tomatoes, but they're just not good unless they're on tacos.
Dorothy, I don't know what you should do for a vlog. Clean
Not
up
vlog.
there, so we can record videos up there.
Shut.
Look, it fixed.
All right, what's next?
This one.
You're supposed to cut in half.
I cut off the top first.
Why not in half?
Dad.
Huh?
Mom.
This one's really red.
Hi.
Look at
Hey,
that. That's
it
like
make
super
a
red.
tomatoes.
You're making tomatoes?
No.
Sophia,
Cutting?
you go to the kitchen.
There we go, kitchen.
Barbara, no. Okay, well now I'm just kind of cutting the inside, and I don't know why. Now it's just kind of. Stop. I am cutting stuff. You cannot have your hand over here.
No. I'll pick it up. Next one.
This one's for you.
No. I'm gonna make it.
I guess I should try them without the salt. First. The camera?
Yeah.
Not telling.
You're all gone.
Work's not telling me where the camera is.
Where'd it go?
My room.
Oh, I knew I was seeing it somewhere. I'm like, it's somewhere I've been. Like, I kept seeing it.
Ah!
All right. Just go get it.
It's on my table.
Okay. But
It
there's
go.
there's a spider in
What if they made like a long tomato, like an uncomfortably long tomato? Because I'm feeling these seeds and stuff, and like, wow. Such a comedian. So these two are not the same tomato because look at the bottom. It's flatter on this one, and then it's kind of pointed on this one. Can you tell? I don't know. This tomato doesn't feel like I washed it, but I did.
See it again?
All of these were grown in our garden, like I said earlier. We probably have, yeah, six different kinds of tomatoes, maybe 7. I don't know. I didn't go through the giant bowl of tomatoes that are literally sitting right there. And my mom and my sister, they collect them in the morning after I go to school, and they bring down a lot.
There's a bunch of trails.
So.
Today I saw the new cookie table right by the river.
Yeah, because people call this.
We should blow up my kayak and I'll send you guys out to the river with the rope attached. So we can pull you back in.
I'm getting full of tomatoes. Okay, so this corner over here does not have salt.
No.
That's where the batteries go.
No. No.
You don't know what to do in there for.
Is that this one? Yeah. Right? It's so bad, but why do I keep eating it? Okay. In my room.
Really?
I don't know why I did that. Okay. Now we just have this small one.
Oh, I know this one in here.
It's probably dead. Oh, you can delete everything on the card. Because I already have it all saved onto my phone. And I need to bring it in for photography tomorrow. That's right, I take a photography class. And with our camera made for recording, you'd think that I'd be recording with that, but you are wrong. I use it for taking pictures. Sweet. Do not chew the skin well. Well, that was me trying 6 different kinds of tomatoes. My favorite one was one of them.
Yeah, it's just
And I'm currently violating. Yeah. That's it for this video. Don't like or subscribe. That was 21 minutes of me trying 6 tomatoes.